Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody contoured this, and then when they contoured it, they get sharp points. And this guy is going to cut this out with a plasma cutter. And you can see the other sharp points here and here. Now, one thing I always check, I selected all, I got 3 objects selected. One of them is the eye. So now I've only got 2. Now I move that manually out of the way, but I can move it right back. So what I would do is take the inside line and right-click red, and then that way you know it's all one group. Now, if we grab the Windows Dockers corners and you select this line, let me just back up here, and you could either select all of it and hit delete or hit apply, and it rounded off all the corners. Or if you don't want some of them like that, if you will just grab with the shape tool, and because we changed color to know it was different, but these aren't together, so we can actually go right through here and select all these nodes and hit apply. So it did that. Now, the only thing bad about doing this for a plasma cutter, you got 3 nodes. But it shouldn't really matter. You could go back and delete these center nodes that you don't need anymore. That'll help a little bit. This will give your plasma cutter some. Plasma cutter is completely different than like laser engraving. It's actually going, well, laser engraving probably goes from node to node, but it's not as hot. So if you have to go from node to node and hit a lot of nodes, you're going to burn up the material. So here we can do the same thing. We can select it and hit apply, and it rounded off that corner. I'd go ahead and do both corners. Just give a little bit of curvature, and this one's a little bit off. And you could always get your shape tool and select those. Well, matter of fact, we can take away that node. And then take this and kind of move it in a little bit because it's a little bit off from being perfect. You know, do you need to round that off? Well, you can. Just round it off a little bit. You need to select the node and then kind of select it all. So I'm hitting it, and then I'm going to come back and select it. And that's probably pretty good right there, but we could still give a little bit of a curvature. Everything else looks pretty good. You know, the mouth, maybe a little bit, just select it. Now this, we're not going to be able to curve because it's already kind of curved, so it doesn't do anything, but you could play around with it manually if you wanted to and give a little bit more of a curve. So for the one I'm doing this for, if you cut this out and you just want the outline, your eye is going to fall out because this is what you're cutting out, and this is going to be the metal part. So if we take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, that's what you're going to have is that ring, but you're going to lose the eye because this piece is going to fall out. So kind of think about that when you're cutting it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.